Ball's available.
And it's there for Christie again. Barrett gets it wide for Evans. Ball popped over the top for Lamb. Awkward. Oh, he got away beautifully, Ben Lamb. And off he goes. And Ben Lamb's season continues. What a good try that is.
Well, that's what you call a quality finisher.
Hurricanes win one against the throw. So Ardie Savea brings it up. Laumapi held up by Proctor, gets into the clear. He's got Ardie Savea on the inside. And Ardie Savea scores. So first things first, Groom gets it in. And the scrum now taken out by Quagga Smith. Almost got there himself. Now releases for Groom, and he has a go and he scores. The little halfback sells the dummy and scores the try. Now Christie slings it off for Barrett. Quick hands required. Laumapi across to Lamb. Lamb, what a try. What a finish. He's done it again, Ben Lamb.
And then when the backs get their chance, this guy just cannot stop scoring tries. He doesn't have much room.
Now Barrett again. Laumapi. Julian Savea, Milner, Scudder, Proctor, Lamb again. Lamb's in. Try number 3, Ben Lamb.
But this here is just basic rugby. Run, catch, pass, finding your man. Just look at that. How easy is that? And Ben Lamb, well, you are not going to stop him 10 metres out.
And over the line they go, and they do score. And it's Schoeman. Who else? But little Mana Schoeman. Well, quickly handed on. Riccatelli. Ball been lost and snapped up. And here's a chance for the Lions. This is going to be a runaway try.
Benny, you want to check that?
No chance for Beauden Barrett. And Mahusa. And the Hurricanes take the points over the Lions here in Wellington. And the final score 28 points to 19.